Kids evening snack, all purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, ajwain. Mix everything. Add dalda or butter. First mix everything. Mix all the ingredients. So mix until it is golden like this. Now it is perfect time to add water. You can add room temperature water. Now add water. Roll it as thin as you can make it. Take a fork and tap because it should not raise when we are frying. If you have pizza cutter, you can cut with that. Otherwise, you can use chalks, knives. Now the oil is super hot. You can drop this.